Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to install Kali Linux in our VirtualBox, and we're going to set up our Git Bash in Windows Terminal. So first we'll do the Windows Terminal. You open your Windows Terminal and there will be a little arrow. Click on the little arrow, go to Settings, and then you go down to Add New Profile. Then you go to New Empty Profile, and Command Line, you hit the little arrow, and Browse. And it's going to be in our C drive, Program Files, Git, and then our Git Bash exe. You click that, and you hit Open, and then you save. I'm not going to because I already have some. And then we'll download Kali. You go to your browser, type in Kali, and Kali Linux. We go to download and download virtual machines, and we want the 64-bit for VirtualBox right there. And we click the little arrow, it'll start downloading. I've already got it downloading, so I'm going to exit and stop that. Then once it's downloaded, you go to VirtualBox, open that, and import. We want it from our local files, and the file that we want is in our downloads, so we click the little file and downloads in Kali Linux, and click on it and open it. Then you go to Next, Import, and it'll start to import. And that's it. Then you can start Kali in the VirtualBox. I'm not going to do it because I'm going to do it later. And now we want to, what else was I going to do? Oh, I was going to show you the WSL. You can open your Windows Terminal, and you click on your arrow, you can go to Kali, and once you first open it, it will take a little bit of time to start, and once it's done, it will ask you for your username. You pick a username, and it will ask you for your password, and you put in a password. It'll ask you to confirm it by typing it again. Don't forget your password. And then once that's done, you can type sudo apt update. Hit enter, and you put in your password, and it will go out to the repository and get everything that's needed. You might have a lot more than 5. I've already done this. So. And then once that's done, you haven't installed them yet, so what you want to do is you want to install them by typing sudo apt dist-upgrade, and you hit yes, Y for yes, and it'll start downloading everything and installing it. It'll take a while, maybe 30 minutes or so. I'm actually surprised I have this much. And then it'll do that for about 30 minutes, and then once you're done, you can use Kali any way you like. We'll go over Bash commands and stuff like that in the next one. I'll show you how to use your Git terminal. That's what I use most of the time, is Git terminal. And we'll start making programs in the next video. So that's about it for this one. It didn't take long for this one. See you guys later.